Now, this is how you can stop the iCloud sharing between devices on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So in your main settings app, you just tap your profile, and at the top of the list, which is, your name and the profile picture, you get inside and proceed to the iCloud section. And this is the place where you manage all of the sharing. So you can see we have the storage breakdown, and at the top, that's kind of important, but below we have the saved to iCloud. So you can click on see all, and this is a list of all of the apps and services which are able to be synced over iCloud. So there are plenty of things, like, of course, we have the main ones like the photos and messages. So you can get inside, which have their own like dedicated menu. So you can turn off the shared albums or sync this iPhone, right? And you stop the connection from the iCloud or from the device. Like, yeah, the photos are a great example. A lot of people have it turned on, sync this iPhone, and perhaps if they have another device like an iPad, they also have the syncing enabled. And it just means that if you capture a photo on the phone, it appears on the iPad and vice versa. So you now have to decide where you cut the connection. You can, for example, stop the syncing on the iPad, meaning that your phone is still uploading photos to iCloud, but those photos do not appear on other devices. Or you can cut it right here and decide that you don't even upload anything to iCloud, and therefore there is no way for it to appear on any other device at all. Right, so that's how it works for the photos, of course, but for every other app as well. So you have other things like the voice memos or the journal entries or freeform projects and all of those apps which you decide if you want to upload it to the iCloud, and if you have other devices, you decide if you also want to sync it to the other device. So if you just don't want, if you want to cut the connection in here, just turn off these toggles and you don't have to worry about anything. But that is all from me. I really hope I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.